project manager of this construction project.
Hello, I'm Ahmad Haziq bin Abdul Razak. I'm here as safety officer for this project.
Hi, I'm Ashin Suraimi. I am as a structural engineer for this project.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Muhammad Fazlan bin Muhammad Ulazmi. I'm the project engineer for this project.
Hi, I'm Salika Nubaiti. I'm a BAPC engineer.
Does this sound familiar? Heavy equipment needed. Conventional forming using plywood and timber. Large number of skilled workers needed. Environmentally unfriendly. Untidy worksite. Dimensional accuracy compromised. High hidden cost in remedial work. And debris to clear.
So, this is our solution to cater problem in construction industry. Tunnel form construction technique was invented over 50 years ago. The use of tunnel form produced high quality monolithic structure. Tunnel form work come in half unit and in a form of an inverted L, which are bolted together at the top to form each tunnel. Tunnel formwork is a steel formwork that is used during the placing of the concrete to form a floor and the wall at the same time. They can be a different shape, size, and module.
Okay, all of you must want to know how the process of the install and remove the tunnel formwork. So let's see this diagram.
The initial striking operation of the tunnel formwork system start with the curtains are open and the heaters are removed. Then the kickers are stripped. Next, the opposite slab stopper is removed and supplied to the other side. The roof floor are open and the ties are being removed. After that, the jacks are raised until the half tunnel rests on its wheels. If the form stick to the concrete, the click-clack system of the strut is open, thus lowering the horizontal panel. This in turn removes adhesion and the form dropped on its wheels. The click-clack is closed again. The next procedure of the tunnel formwork system is the setting in place. It starts with the level of the bottom of the vertical panel of the half turn is drawn on the kickers. Then the half turn is pushed out through the facade. Next, the form is scraped and being oiled. After that, the lifting triangle is bolted to the tunnel formwork system. The half turn is completely pulled out. The slab that was stripped is being propped. The tunnel form is set down on the last jack on the slab. The bottom of the vertical panel is set flush with the line drawn under kickers. Next, the other jack are lowered to the slab. The verticality of the half tunnel is adjusted by turning the triangulation jack bolt. The reference is given by a plumb line on the magnetic support. The second half tunnel is pushed out and the lifting triangle bolted. The second half tunnel is brought in front of the first one. As it was done for the first tunnel form, the triangulation wheels are lowered along with the string jack. The tunnel form is set on the slab. The bottom of the vertical panel is set flush with the line drawn on the kickers, and the other jacks are lowered. The verticality of the half tunnel is set using the triangulation jack. The horizontal panel of the first half tunnel provide an easy means of checking the verticality of the second half form. The roof lock between the forms are bolted. The tunnel form is brought above its next position. While the tunnel form is still in the air, the triangulation wheels are lowered. The jacks at the extremities of the tunnel form and that will rest on the slabs are lowered. The tunnel form is lowered on the jacks and the lifting triangle is unbolted. The electricity is integrated into the walls. The wire mesh is prepared for the ties and plastic cones. The ties are inserted partway into the tie holes. The plastic cones are installed on the ties, and the tips of the ties are set flush with the end of the cones. The door blockout and wall stoppers are set in place. The door blockout is leveled using the plumb line. The wall stopper is leveled using the plumb line. The tunnel form is lowered through the gap. The bottom of the vertical panel is set flush with the line on the kickers using the jacks. The verticality of the half tunnel is set using the triangulation wheel. The roof logs are bolted. The ties are pushed completely through the tunnel form and loosely bolted on the other side. The slab is scraped and oiled. The slab stoppers are set in place. The wall form is hung to the crane and stripped. The wall form is scraped and oiled. The wall form is set in place. The jacks are lowered, thus pushing the wall form against the half tunnel, and the form is hand-hooked. The concrete crosses are set in place at the location of the walls. The kicker form are installed on the concrete crosses. The ties are completely tightened. The triangulation wheels are raised. The concreting starts with the inside walls. The external walls are then pulled. Finally, the slab is pulled with the kickers, starting from the coal joint. The slab is surfaced with a straight edge sliding on the kickers form. The plastic curtains are closed, and the heaters are started. The kickers are the most important element in the tunnel formwork system. The kickers are short concrete walls, usually built at the same time as the slabs on which they lie, at the location of the future real-size walls. The tunnel methodology relies on the use of the kickers. The kickers have several roles. First, they guide the positioning of the forms. Second, they facilitate the stripping of the forms. The last one, they provide a support on which to draw the level.
The tunnel formwork system provides some advantages related to time, cost and quality. In terms of time, the project can be completed in a short time compared to traditional construction system. The repetitive nature of the system and use of prefabricated forms and reinforcing cages simplify the whole construction process, producing a smooth and fast operation. Besides that, the accelerated production cycle 1 to 3 days can be achieved, which can minimize the effect of climate conditions on productivity. In terms of cost, the formwork cost per meter square or per housing unit can be reduced using formwork up to 800 times. Due to resulting of smooth surface, the wall and slab do not need any additional finishing such as plaster, which can contribute to reduced costs. For the quality, the higher precision in production of walls and slab unit can be achieved. Tunnel formwork system creates a smooth and high quality finished surface of wall and slab, besides reduce the requirement of finishing trades such as skin tone.
There are few advantages of using tunnel form in the construction industry. First, the project will recognize as modern method of construction. It brings the factory quality and efficiency to the site. Second is about quality aspect. So the tunnel form will enhance and maximize the quality of the construction by producing smooth surface structure, whereby smooth surface structure do not require any plastering process, which directly can reduce the requirement of finishing trades. Besides, tunnel form also promotes high health and safety aspect because it has working platform and also a monitoring system. Lastly, every project aims to reduce wastage on site. So tunnel form able to reduce waste almost zero wastage on site and produce more tidier environment.
to talk about the disadvantages of tunnel formwork. Firstly, this type of formwork might cause the total cost of the project increasing, especially when it used in smaller scale project. Next, this type of formwork need to be installed and uninstalled by skilled worker compared to traditional method of formwork. Lastly, this type of formwork need to be installed by crane for each block, which might need many numbers of cranes. As for conclusion, this type of formwork should be used in nowadays construction industry, especially when involved with large scale project with limited time period of construction. Thank you.